Hey, you. Yeah, I got a question for you. Actually, I didn't really have a question. I just thought you were really cute. I wanted to introduce myself. What's your name?
Caitlin.
I'm Kobe. Nice to meet you. What are you doing here?
I'm waiting for the bus to go to New York.
What are you doing in New York?
I'm gonna go hang out with my friend.
You have like a set meeting or what?
Yeah.
Oh man. All right, I was thinking maybe we could I'll get your number or something. We can hang out, whatever it is, you know?
Yeah.
Because you got something to do.
I'm not
No?
interested. No.
Not at all?
No, thank you.
Damn. All right. Caitlin! I don't usually ask twice, but I'll just get your number. It's real quick.
Can you like go away? I'm not interested at all.
Okay, okay.
Bye.
Damn. She's brutal. Caitlin! Yeah, what's up? You like the car?
Yeah, it's really nice. I love gold.
You like gold?
Yeah.
Nice, so how about this? I'm going to the city anyway to lunch. We'll go to the city, get lunch, and then I'll just take you to your friend after.
Okay.
Your friend's gonna be mad or no?
No, I don't think she's gonna care.
She won't care?
No, I'll text her.
Alright, hop in.
Okay.
Oh, get in. Get it? Wait, before you get one more, I have one question. Were you good in school?
Yeah, I got straight A's.
Straight A's because you just got an A on the gold digger test.